Excuse me? Oh, well, yeah, do come on from. Ugh. Yo, what my change there? Yo, what change you talking about? My youth, me give you $500 take for buy one soda. I ain't bring back my change. Yo, the lady said the soda was $500. Oh man, rob your brother. Yo, what do you mean she robbed me? Yo man, just leave it. Yo, why you always treating me like shit? Ever since I came here, you been cussing me out. Like why? Yo, just ease yourself in the youth. Yo, fuck this shit. I'm going outside. Oh, oi. Man, you're not going out in the yard. Yo, I'm 17. Stop trying to babysit me. He that boy. You think true you live up foreign and mommy and daddy, you have them for you that y'all come here and do the same to me? Man, you just pissed off because they left your ass here. Don't try to take out your anger out on me. You have like a million kids to worry about. FYI, bro, it's called a condom. Go buy one. Fucking pussy hole. So where you are go dress and a look so? Nothing day. I just wanted to dress up a little bit. Really? The way me see it, you look like you have man. And if me ever find out say you have man, watch me and you. Oh, mommy, you can bring me down the mall then we forget some things. Alright, let's go right now. Look a boy, you don't know if you say good morning. Good morning, mommy. Morning. Come, Sean, let's go. Go on, man. The foolishness soon done. Don't worry about it. Seriously, can't believe we're doing it. You know what, mommy? If you don't want to be here, you can just leave. Gladly, I will be in the car. Oh, daddy, I can't wait after this wedding and invite all my friends then. Don't tell me say you tell anybody about this. No, daddy. I didn't tell anybody about it. So what you talk about invite friends for? You're not inviting nobody to nothing. But daddy, that not sound like a real wedding. You know, see the circumstances and you're worried about a real wedding. You look him even a buy one cake. Why would I always mess up my life? Sorry about Omo. Talk to you the other day. It's alright, I understand why they going away. See, that should have been like I'm tell you for do. Yeah, I did. Good. Cause a little boy the name Sean make me no want no more pitney. Little boy just coming like some demon seed. By the way, you know see if my wife bring any man in ya. Cause she act different from what they you know. No, I'm gonna say she bring nobody. She barely even there. Oh, alright. Just feel like the girl have money now, she not tell me. So what she have man, why your business about that for? You know have me, you don't need she. What? Woman no fear more than one man. You don't want no whore around me. If you sleep with me and me alone you have to sleep with. One day my sister she a dress up. I do ear and I put on nice pretty dress. She never used to go on so that's why I feel like she have man. Well, me no know if she have man or not. Come in and sit down and I watch her. Dear. Pum pum no good if it stretch out. Woman only fi have one man. When one woman I realize that say we need more than one woman. Unno need no more than one man. I saw the world stay. Now look for you. Look on a sexy body that you have and you want to breathe. Dear. What wrong with you, babes? I'm just so sick and tired of dating, man. I tell no lie. No one this year nothing is sharing, but I even know you can be with a man like that or put him on by you. How you know him put him on for me? First time I meet you, I see your face. Person never want to say nothing, come never want you feel no way. You deal with that person for so long, you know, it's just hard for you to leave the relationship. And I'm telling you, lie, I deal with him from me a teenager. So no matter how long you want to deal with him for, you're not supposed to put him on by you. You know, he moved that young girl in my house and I sleep with her. I was so blind to it at first. One night me hear them have sex in the house. I was so embarrassed I couldn't tell anybody about it. Look upon it this way. You know, for feel no way about nothing way mad to you. Any man who put him on upon a woman and have the nerve even to bring woman in the house. Him not deserve nobody. But you have to go figure out things by yourself, you know. Can't tell you if you leave. Or you have to look in at yourself and know if you want to leave or not. I just don't know if I have the strength to leave him. You're there with somebody so long, it's difficult. It's like you're attached to them so. Either way, Shireen, one day you have to leave him. But you have to ready to leave him. Nobody else can tell you when to leave. You're right. One day I must have to go make up my mind. Take Sean and left him. I don't understand this. You not even talk to me about it. You just send him here. Eh? Such one of my house, man, and I say night, don't it? Alright, mommy. You and daddy good later. Daddy, I want to hear where you going so far. Just don't understand. How them for send Andy and not even page me and tell me say I come. The man just appear at the door so. How them for do things like that? I mean live here, you know? Daddy, why you don't like Uncle Andy? I understand I don't like him, you know. I just not have time for deal with him right now. Should not even know man vex about this. Your uncle hard of hearing him not like listen to nobody. Don't worry about nothing, Daddy. Everything alright. You know, Annie, you're the only person who put my trust in there, you know. You just always behave yourself, you know, give me enough of my problem. I love you, you know, Annie. Love you too, Daddy.